We've seen many people in our space use tech to innovate and create. And I'm excited to see what actually can be done with that. But innovation has its limits. We're limited by time, we're limited by money, and we're limited by a number of other factors and considerations. So is it really possible to innovate in the digital age? Luckily, yes. There's a researcher that I came across from the University of Waterloo's Ivey School of Business who has researched what are the key reasons that actually prohibit or inhibit innovation. And the top reasons that they came up with are these. People are not always motivated to innovate. No one has the time to do it, and no one wants to do it. And the barriers of innovation are too high. So, what does that mean? Where does the real problem lie? Now, the real problem lies in the fact that I didn't write any of this. It's nothing that I came up with. It's actually nobody came up with what I just said. I used an AI-based text generator to create this introduction to my presentation. It's called Talk to the Transformer. It's been in the news for a couple of weeks or a couple of months. Initially, it was actually pulled from being publicized because of a bit of a fear that it's actually too powerful and it might wreak havoc with people trying to use it. So essentially what it has, Talk to the Transformer, it's out now, so you can actually go and do it yourself for your next presentation or for your next meeting. You simply put in a phrase, right, the promises and perils of technology-driven innovation, and click generate, and that's what it came up with, which is essentially what I just told you. This is the very first try. I just went there, typed it in, bam, that's what came out, right? So I thought, oh, great, I'm done for the session. Now, what does that mean? I think it's something that we need to be aware of. Awareness of what technology is capable of, in particular when it comes to AI, is one of the critical capabilities that all of us need to develop. We need to know. We need to know what is possible, so we need to be able to understand if there's something fake, if somebody's trying to take us for a ride, like I just did. And awareness and the ability to critically think and understand and question what we are seeing, what we are hearing, what we are reading, I think that's a capability that we really, really need to develop.